Vaibhav this side, and in this video I want to talk to you about parallel realities and how you can use this principle to manifest the life that you desire. This concept is something that will compel you to start looking at life in a different way and will completely change your perspective toward it. I want you to stick to the very end of this video because this is something that can really blow up your mind, and understanding that can be a real game changer for you. So in this video I want to talk to you about parallel reality model, and you may ask, what does that even mean? So parallel reality model is discussed by Frederick Dodson in his book Parallel Universe of Self, and the concept states that there exist many different parallel realities and many different versions of you in those parallel realities, and these parallel realities exist in alternative space. And what do I mean by alternative space? So basically it is an infinite field containing information of any event that could ever possibly take place. It contains all the possibilities of event from the past, present and future. So for example, in those parallel realities there is a version of you who is rich, then there is a version of you who is poor, there is a version of you who has already achieved the goal that you want to manifest and living the dream life that you wish, and then there is a version of you who is living the life that you are living right now. Okay, so what it essentially means is that there is this alternative space, and then there are these sectors, and in those sectors exist the many different possibility or parallel realities having these different version of you. Each version of you within this sector is going on its own lifeline. Okay, so they all are going in their own lifeline. Now based on your vibration, that is your thoughts, emotions, actions and attitude, you can resonate with certain version of yourself, and when you do that you basically illuminate certain sector of these alternative space, and you can shift to that particular lifeline. Now depending upon how apart these lifelines are in this alternative space, it is going to take that much of time for that reality to manifest for you. Now before you ask how can I shift to that lifeline, let me talk about three paradigm of manifestation. So lowest paradigm is the paradigm of having, and here a person is focused on what he can take. I want to have this much of money, I want to have a car or a house, I want to have a partner of my dream. So here you are concerned about what I can take, what I can take. So this paradigm is more focused on desire and having. Okay, the paradigm above this is the paradigm of doing. So here you are more focused on actions and focused on what can I do to make that certain amount of money, what can I do to have this my dream car or house, what can I do to have that desired partner in my life. Okay, so this paradigm is better than having. It is slightly more powerful and you are slightly more energetic, but still it's not the most effective paradigm of manifestation. The most powerful paradigm of manifestation is the being paradigm, where the real magic happens. And here we are focused on being that version of yourself who is worthy of money, who is worthy of that car or that big house, who is worthy of attracting that ideal partner in his life, right? So once you are concerned with being, then you start to change yourself at the identity level. Okay, once your focus is inward, once you start to focus on being that person who is worthy of all that desire that you are having right now, then what happens is that reality start to shift itself and it matches to that version of the parallel reality where you are successful, where you are in fulfilling relationship of your dream, and your goals start to manifest automatically without you forcing it to happen. So what reality creation process says is that there is nothing out there for you to really manifest. Anything that you desire or want to create is already manifested and it is being lived by another version of you in different lifeline. So it is kind of like this. You are watching a cricket match on television and then you switch to some music channel. Now, just because you were watching cricket match previously, it doesn't mean that music channel didn't exist. It was just like you were not attuned to that frequency. Okay, the moment you changed the channel, you started receiving the signal and music started to play. In the same way, when you start to resonate at the frequency of that version of you who has already manifested the goals that you desire via your thoughts, emotions, your actions, your attitude, your vibrations, the energy field that you radiate will allow you to tune in to that certain realities. It is not really that you create reality, just like a television set does not create the channel it receives, right? It is more that you tune in to a frequency by knowing the qualities and attribute of that frequency, focusing attention and intention toward that reality. Okay, so what you really do is you embody the identity of that certain version, and moment you do that, the reality start to bend and start to align to that particular lifeline that you desire. So to speak, you don't really need to chase the goal that you are desiring for. On the contrary, all you need to do is to become that certain version who has already manifested that goal and living that life that you desire right now. We are always stuck in a trap where we say we will feel happy when we have the money, or when I find a partner, I will feel better. When waiting for outside circumstances to change you rather than recognizing happiness within, you are nothing more than a puppet of this world. We just don't understand this subtle principle that reality is created from within. Our internal world is the source and sole creator of our external world, right? But the mistake that we make is we do it other way around. What we do is we look at our external world, which is just the effect, okay, and we feed this in our internal world, which is the true source, okay. So now what is happening is that effect is projected onto the source, and then we draw this state of lack and scarcity within our internal world, and then this internal world is fed to our external world, and we continue to be stuck in this vicious loop forever. This is the reason poor get poorer and rich get richer, because a rich man look around him and say, oh, I am rich, and then he feel rich and more wealth is attracted to him. On the other hand, poor man look around him and see scarcity and lack, and so he feel more lack, and reality gives him more reason to feel lack and feel poor. So understanding that whatever you are experiencing in your life right now is all the result of your attitude toward the life that you had in the past. Everyone is a creator of their own reality, whether consciously or unconsciously. More or less, it's unconscious than conscious. So now I want to share with you the steps that you can take to really change this and shift to the reality that you want to manifest. Step number 1, have clarity around what you truly desire in your life. Most people don't have this, and that's why they don't even know who they need to become to achieve it in the first place. When we talk about true desire, most people confuse it with money. Please understand, it's never the money that you desire. Money is just a piece of paper. What you really after is the feeling that having money can give you, the freedom, the experience that money can give you. So ask what your heart truly wants, because heart knows nothing about money. It is our mind that intellectualize and connect everything to money. So ask yourself what you truly want to experience in your life. Do you want to travel around the world? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to create a product that can make everyone's life easy? Do you want to create music or art? Or you want to have more loving and fulfilling career or relationship? What is that you truly desire for? Have clarity around that. Step number 2. Define the character or the version of you who has already manifested this goal and living the life that you want right now. Define it as vividly as possible. Cover all aspects like how does he looks, what he wears, how does he feel, what are the achievements that he has accomplished. Take a piece of paper and do it right now. Cover the following points like how does he look, what he has accomplished, how he behave and his character traits, how does he feel. So imagine that you have already manifested your goal and define how would you feel internally. Your thoughts, your emotions, your actions, your attitude toward life in general, and the vibration that you put out there. What daily action he takes, okay? So that's step number 2. Step 3 is that now you have to start embodying that version, that identity right now. Start behaving like you are already that person. Before taking any action that you take on daily basis, ask yourself what would that version of you would do in this situation, and just do that. Let's call that version 2.0. How this 2.0 version of you do, think and act in any situation, and just do that. Make it a daily habit of asking yourself this question. Start wearing clothes that this 2.0 version wears. Start acting, start talking, start thinking like as you are already this version. Imagine and feel like your goals and dreams are already manifested. If that is true, how would you conduct yourself? What daily action you would take? And slowly you will notice that you start to change from within. You start to become that version, and then the reality will start molding itself in accordance to your desire. Always remember, reality is created from within, as within, so without. It's all a matter of you choosing what kind of person you would like to become. No one can take that right away from you, the right of free will. Your external world is merely the reflection of your internal world. Once you are able to manage your state within, the external world inevitably materialize. With that, I am concluding this video. I hope this has been useful to you. I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, may peace be upon you.